Good afternoon, friends. Happy Thursday to all of you. My friends, I have huge news to go over today. President Biden and other top lawmakers are making big progress this week on passing new legislation. There are 3 batches of stimulus checks that are set to go out this month and in February. These payments may be worth up to $600. So friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video to hear about all of these details. To say thank you for being part of this community, I will be announcing 3 winners for the $75 Walmart gift cards tomorrow. If you'd like to enter the giveaways, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Dear friends, the more videos that you comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. Not all, but many states in our country are getting another stimulus check during the month of February. These payments will be worth up to $600 that are aimed to help residents deal with the high cost of living. This has created many issues and obstacles for Americans who are just trying to make ends meet. Prices have been increasing over the past year, but inflation doesn't look like it will go down anytime soon. There are several U.S. cities that will get this stimulus payment. Each of them are from different states and will have a different set of qualification rules. First, the state of Idaho will offer citizens a one-time lump sum of $600. This was initially approved in September 2022, when the state of Idaho allocated a package that would reduce a record budget surplus and cut taxes within the state. Payments will continue to roll out until March of this year. In Massachusetts, the town of Chelsea kicked off the second phase of the Universal Basic Income Program in December. Payments to the town's residents will be $400. It will go to about 700 residents. In Massachusetts, the town of Chelsea kicked off the second phase of the Universal Basic Income Program in December. Payments to the town's residents will be $400 to about 700 Chelsea residents. This is a continuation of the first phase, where an estimated 2,000 households received monthly payments from November 2020 to August 2021. The deadline to apply for this payment is Friday, January 6th at midnight. The city of Alexandria in the state of Virginia is rolling out $400 payments for 2 years that will start in the month of February. The city is allocating money as part of the Recurring Income for Success and Equity program. Some residents might be eligible for a tax refund of up to $700. President Biden's administration has also urged the Supreme Court to uphold his beleaguered student loan forgiveness plan that would wipe away debt that's owed by tens of millions of Americans. The nation's highest court will hear oral arguments next month in a pair of legal challenges over the plan. Opponents, including 6 conservative states, say that the Biden administration overstepped its authority by creating the debt relief plan on its own. The Biden administration has argued that those challenging the effort do not have the standing to sue because they're not directly harmed by the plan. Biden said that if the court disagrees, then the program is nevertheless permitted under the law. The administration also told the Supreme Court that lower courts have left millions of economically vulnerable borrowers. According to an official statement by the Biden administration, the justices should not compel the damaging and destabilizing result the administration argues blocking the program will cause. Lower federal courts have frozen implementation of Biden's loan program for months now. In a separate move, the administration extended a pause on student loan payments until as late as June 30th, 2023, temporarily limiting the impact of those court decisions. Biden's plan would cancel up to $20,000 in student loan debt for Pell Grant recipients and $10,000 for other borrowers, for individuals earning up to $125,000 a year, or part of the household where total earnings are no more than $250,000. More than 26 million Americans have applied for the relief, and the administration has estimated that 40 million people may be eligible. The latest appeal marks the 3rd time that Biden's student loan forgiveness program has come before the nation's highest court. But for now, the 26 million borrowers who have already applied for debt relief remain in limbo, and the Education Department indicated that it's not accepting any new applications at the current time. But it remains confident that will ultimately prevail in legal battles. It's also examining extending the student loan payment pause to ensure borrowers are not thrown into repayment without the relief that they were promised. So, dear friends, what are your thoughts on all of this? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my beautiful and dearest friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Thursday afternoon. Friends, thank you so much for being part of this community by continuing to do giveaways. Tomorrow, I will be announcing 3 winners of the $75 Walmart gift card. And if you'd like to enter the giveaway, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like several of my videos, and please comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. Thank you, my friends, and have a wonderful and blessed January 5th.
China. Assert our dominance in space, keep command of the seas, and restock our missile defenses. If we fail to pass the NDAA or kick this to the next year, we should keep in mind all of these consequences. There will be no raise for service members and no spending increases to keep up with inflation. That's the reason we need to pass this bill. In short, we would be in a very dangerous situation if we continue to do this. Providing for our common defense is one of the few responsibilities mandated by the Constitution of this body. As the House moves forward with the NDAA this week, and the Senate considers the bill that they send over next week, I hope my colleagues will come together to put our common defense over partisan politics. You know, producing the military equipment and facilities outlined in the NDAA require a huge supply chain. And the pandemic revealed America's concerning dependence on foreign adversaries for items we use to produce here in the United States. Our military is dependent on imported tungsten, cobalt, and rare earth elements. In addition to the military, our nation's food supply depends on imported materials for fertilizer. Our energy supply chains